Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIL Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the other way is to do it through the settings once the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's continue. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once it boots up and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the hello message on the screen, and you can tap on the screen. It will open the list of languages. Here you can scroll through the list by swiping on the screen up and down. Select the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you select it, simply tap on the check mark at the top to confirm. And as you can see, now we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do that, so tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on the search, then tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will see the login page basically, and you have two options: to create an account or sign in. If you don't have an account, you can always create a new one by tapping on create account. If you already have an account, you can tap on sign in and log in into account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check mark, and then next. And now I need to enter email address and password, so give me a couple of seconds. And then we can tap on next to login. And after you log in and you don't have any devices connected to your account, your app will start looking for the nearby devices immediately. If it doesn't, you can always tap on menu icon, then tap on add device, or devices and then add device. But I'm pretty sure I don't have any devices connected to this account. So let's continue with the process. As you can see, we need to allow the permission. So tap on allow access, allow, and the app will automatically start searching for the new devices like this. And it should detect your watch. If it doesn't, you can always try to press the back button and then tap on the check mark again to re-enter the pairing mode. And then app should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on connected, tap on allow, tap on pair, here tap on next. Right here we can set up a sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically mute the notifications while you're sleeping so you won't be disturbed during the sleep. And if you want to set it up, you can tap on edit right here and basically set the time on which you go to bed, set the time on which you wake up, and then select the days on which the schedule should be active. And then you can tap on save and then tap on next. Here we can edit the goals for like steps, hydration and stuff like that. You can also tap on keep default goals to keep them default, but if you want to edit them, tap on edit goals. It will open this page, and here you can customize the steps per day, fluid consumed per day, and intensity per week. Then we can tap on next, and here we have the permissions. for the notifications to be exact. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. If you want to allow the permission, tap on allow notification access, tap on allow. Next we have the location permission. This is useful for the local weather, tracking your location, for example when you're running or cycling and stuff like that. If you want to use any of these features, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. And if you tap on allow, it will redirect you to the this page, to app info. You need to tap on permissions, tap on the location, location, and tap on allow while using the app, or allow all the time. The app will pester you to allow it for all the time. If you allow it only for while using the app, so depends if you want to be pestered or not. Select one of the options, and then you can tap on back, and back. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see notifications about the events from your calendar and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to use it, tap on allow calendar access and then tap on allow. Here we have call log access. This is useful for the phone calls. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone and you allow the call log access, it will display the number of the phone that is calling you. Also, you will be able to either reject or answer the call, I believe, on your watch and stuff like that. So all of the permissions for the calls are required if you want to use the notifications for calls and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to allow them, tap on allow, allow, and allow. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you can tap on sync now, finish, here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip, finish, and at this point you should see the home page, and on it there should be icon of your watch right here at the top, or if you tap on more, Garmin devices, you should see your Lily 2 active on the list of devices, and you can tap on it to open the device page for it, or settings page. Okay, that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from the app quickly, like that. Okay, and we're quickly gonna pair it again, but through the settings instead of setup process. So let's say you have the watch already set up and you don't want to reset it, and you want to pair it with your phone. To do that, simply download and install the Garmin Connect application. You can log in into account, and then we need to go to our watch, open the menu by pressing and holding the lower button, then scroll through the menu, find the settings option, tap on it. Here we need to find the I believe it's called system, maybe? Yeah, system, then phone. It's in the different place I expected. Usually it's on the first page of settings, right here, but apparently they moved it to the system. So we need to tap on system, and then phone, and then pair phone. And once you tap on pair phone, it will enter the pairing mode. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application. What is it? Right here. And in the app, if you're if you're already logged in, you will see the home page. But if you log in for the first time, it will start searching for the devices again, and it should detect your watch. But as you can see, we are already logged in, so we need to tap on this plus button right here, or more Garmin devices, and then tap on add device. Then it will start searching for the devices. It should detect our watch. We can tap on connected, allow it, and then go through the same setup process as we did before, basically. Okay, and here we have it. The watch is paired with our phone. So if we go back to the system, you should see your watch right here on the list, and you can tap on it to open the settings, and it says connected, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.